Quality Farmer has always been on a look for getting some good people who can do our corporate video for us, and our search ended with Elabros Films. Congrats and keep the good job on. My best regards and good wishes to Elabros Films.
Right from the scripting to the shoot, Elabro's commitment to work was exceptional. Attention to details and creating a great narrative is their forte.
Trinity has a long-term association with Elabros Films. We have made lots of video presentation with them. They are a very professional lot and never compromises on quality. We'll surely like to work more with them and create more video presentation with them, and would also recommend them to people who are looking for video and other services.
There's always a fear initially that maybe the guy who we are telling something may not be able to gauge the information as correctly the way we would wish it to be. But we were fortunate. I think Asad did a very good job and we were all very satisfied. Clients were very happy to, see the presentation. So
we were looking towards promoting our brand UCAN, and that's when we reached out to Elabros Films. They helped us create a video where we could express our vision as a student-oriented progressive institute.
Orthocare and Elabros Films has a long-term association. During the making of videos, they understood what we need and what we required, and they delivered as we desired. Really beautiful videos. I really appreciate Elabros Film and its creative director, Mr. Asad.
We gave one of the project to Elabros Film last year and they did a great job. I would like to thank Asad for his seamless efforts for carrying out this project successfully.
We had a very long-term association with Elabros Films and Mr. Asad, who is the creative director of the company. They have successfully completed multiple projects for us and have been exceptionally well in their conception and the execution of the ideas.
Asad of Elabros Films have worked with us during making of our training sessions. He is a thorough professional and it was actually very nice to work with him.
We would love to go ahead with Elabros Films ahead for other videos and films for our requirements. Good job done, Asad. Thank you for helping us.
We gave a couple of assignments to Asad and we are quite satisfied with the quality of his work. He has done his job very meticulously and to our satisfaction.
We got few films shot from Elabros. The best part is they had a very good technician team, and definitely the cameras and all they are using are very good.
Asad, as the creative director, had made a corporate film for us, which was very much appreciated. I wish him very well in all his future ventures.
We associated Elabros since 2015 and they made a couple of videos. We are very much satisfied with their professional work. We will be making future many videos about our products, so we will be taking Elabros services every now and then.
I think the best part of our experience with Elabros Film was that they really understood what we needed, what we wanted to put in the video, and they were quick to respond to it. As well as understanding a customer's need is, I guess, best part about Asad and his team.
We have been working with Elabros Films for many years now, and I would just like to say that they do a great job. We have got 4 or 5 videos made through them, and all of them have come out pretty well.
The company is under the able leadership of Mr. Asad, who looks after the creative side of the business as well. His team is well qualified and they know what they are doing.
2 years back we were looking to shoot a video for our company, and we found Asad and his team, Elabros Films. Their method of work and their style was very professional.
In future, we can easily trust on Elabros Films to make more video for our company. All the best.
I highly recommend Elabros Films for your requirements.